Where you go? Where am I going? Me a go down a Eastry Lane. Oh, you're going down to Eastry Lane. This sun, yes, this sun, shine it. The land is green and the people are strong. And then creative, you see? That is the symbolism of the colors of the flag. Yes, the Jamaican flag. The color black. It depicts the strength and the creativity of the people. Gold. At the natural beauty, yes, at the natural beauty of the sunlight and the wealth of the country. Green. The color green, it signifies hope. Yes, it signifies hope and agriculture. Resources. These are the history behind the Jamaican flag. You know? If you find this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe. And I thank you for watching as always.